Mega shout out, welcome to my channel. This is Pure Stone Heart, and for today's video guys, I want to show you another unboxing which is my favorite. And then I ordered this one because I am a small content creator and I need this one to for my video because no one will take video on me. So this is I saw this one online and it's very viral nowadays. So let's try and check what is this inside. This is just arrived 30 minutes ago. Oh, by the way, I ordered this one from Amazon. Okay. So this is the one. It's a P01 auto face tracking selfie tripod, and it says here guys 360 degrees, so it will follow you wherever you go, the rotations. So let's check inside. See, there is a magic snapshot. Yes, can create. So intelligent tracking, gesture shot, and then fits tripod. Let's check. I'm so excited. What's that? Okay. There's a charger. This is the manual. I guess this is the stand. Let me check. Yeah, this is mini. I guess. You can bring it out. No, that's not possible. So this is the stand. So it will be fixed here. And put your cell phone here. And there's the charging port. So need to be charged. Then you can use this one guys in doing your video, because it says here it's an auto face tracker selfie tripod. Startup device show. So I will show you guys for another video on how I use this one and how this one be used, if it is good or not. And let's do the review for this one. Thank you so much for watching.